In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use GPT Image 2 to generate 4K images in 2 different platforms and create cool results like these examples that you're watching. And by the end, we're going to have a great surprise for you. So let's begin. So a couple of days ago, GPT Image 2 came out, and normally if you want to use it, you have to come to ChatGPT website. And here you can just click on create an image and it will jump on GPT Image 2 and you write your prompt. You can select your aspect ratio and generate the image that you want. The problem with it is that it is limited. You cannot generate 4K. It only generates 1K results. And it may not be very convenient for most people. That's why I'm going to suggest 2 different platforms that can give you a better workplace. So the first one is Kie platform. I'm going to put the link down in the description. It's a website that has many different AI models for generating images or videos. You can come here, create an account, and then go to billing, add some amount of credit based on what you need, like $1, $5, $10, how much you want. And based on the images or videos that you generate, it will charge you. GPT Image 2 is here. You can come here, click on try it, and it will jump on this page. And you can scroll down here, write your prompt, select your aspect ratio, and select the resolution that you want, and click on generate. Now, this is good. You can use it, but I want to introduce a more advanced and professional tool, especially if you like to create lots of content using different AI models and you want to have a great workplace that you can manage everything and get a better result. So this is Rangy. This is an app that I created. You can run it on Mac or Windows. If you don't have Rangy, you can get it from the link down in the description. And after you install it, to set it up, all you need to do is to come to the settings, and here under API keys, there are 4 places that you can add API key and use these platforms. For example, here we have Kie. You can connect to Kie, connect this Rangy app to Kie, and generate images on your computer inside this app using Kie platform. And to connect it, it's very simple. All you need to do is to come on Kie platform, come to API keys, and here you can click on create new key, write any name that you want, and then click on create. Then a key like this would be created, and all you need to do is to just click on copy and paste it here by clicking on paste, and then click on save, and now your app will be connected to Kie platform. And when we come to the core tab, here, for example, GPT Image 2, it works with 2 different platforms, Replicate and Kie. And if you want to get 4K result, right now you have to use Kie. So you can come here, write your prompt at the top, and select your resolution, select aspect ratio, and generate the image that you want. Here we have some results that I was testing GPT Image 2 in 4K, and I wanted to know how it works. And you can see how cool this image is, and I can say it is almost ready to use it for advertisement. If you have this product and you want to sell it, this poster is completely ready for marketing. And just let me zoom in and you can see the quality and all the details in this image. It's amazing, and it's way better than Nano Banana Pro. Actually, I have been testing this for some time, and I'm gonna make another video to compare GPT Image 2 with Nano Banana Pro. All the examples are ready, and soon I will publish that. But here I just wanted to show you how you can use GPT Image 2 to generate 4K images. And now I'm gonna show you a result. For example, let's try this one. One of the good features on Rangy is that when you generate an image, all the information about that image will be saved on the app. For example, here, if I want to use the prompt, I can come here, click on load prompt, and it will load the prompt here. And I can, for example, let's say I want 2 examples of it, 4K. And let's try this way. I'm going to generate one image with vertical aspect ratio. I'm going to click on generate. We send the request. It will do its job. Then I'm going to send another request for landscape aspect ratio. And these will do their jobs. They will send the request to Kie. And for you to see it, you have to come to logs. And as you can see, both of these requests are here and they are running. One thing, let me tell you that if it fails here, sometimes if their servers are busy, it may fail, but till now that I have been using, it was working perfectly, especially on GPT Image 2. If it fails, it will not charge you any credit, so don't worry about that. So when the result is ready, the image will appear here and you have all the information about it and you can keep creating cool results. While these are generating, I'm going to show you the different tabs we have on Rangy. Here we have the Pro tab. If you want to restore old damaged images, you can use this part. Or if you want to upscale, we have cool models here for upscaling. Or here we have prompt presets or prompt library, which is very useful. Also, if you are into creating videos, here on the video tab, we have another system with different AI models that you can select what you want to use and create cool videos as well. So this is one of the examples. I made this image with GPT Image 2 and then converted it to video using Seedance 2. So one of the images is ready, the other one is still processing. Now here on the right side, we have the result tab. You can click on full screen to see the image in full screen. And let's zoom in, you can see all the details. And you can see how great is the quality of this image generated. Nano Banana Pro was nowhere near this. I'm going to just quickly show you the example that I used to create Nano Banana Pro. Let's compare them together. This is made with Nano Banana Pro. And I'm going to click on compare tool. Let's go to history. And this is the image that we just generated. Just look at the result we got with GPT Image 2. It's way better. This is also good, but when we have such a result, such a cool result here, we can no longer go to Nano Banana Pro. And let's zoom in. You can see all the good details here. It's amazing. So the other image is also ready. We can come here and now we have it in vertical aspect ratio. How cool is that? And again, this image is completely ready for advertisement. If you are doing product marketing or creating some kind of images for different products or different marketing campaigns, this is the best AI to create content with. You can see all the details. All you need to do is to just provide the image of your product here as reference image. You can just click on this plus sign and then send it and get the result generated. I'm going to show you one more result here, and that's this one. Let's zoom in. The quality is amazing. I cannot describe how good it is. Just look at this flower, all the little details. It's amazing. It's really cool. Unfortunately, you cannot get this quality inside ChatGPT itself, but you need a third-party platform like Kie or Rangy to generate this kind of content. So again, if you don't have Rangy, you can get it from the link down in the description. And the surprise that I have for you is that when you click on the link down in the description, it will take you to this page. This is Rangy. Again, you can use it for free, only the core tab. But if you want to unlock all the features in this app, you can upgrade it to higher plans. And right now, till the end of this month, we have a flash sale with 40% discount. It's an amazing offer. Usually we don't do these kind of offers, but I wanted it to be a surprise for you. You can scroll down here, see all the features that it has. For example, the part that I mentioned in the Pro tab. If you have an old damaged image that you want to just recover it, you can get this kind of cool results with it. Or if you have a low resolution image, you can increase the resolution, recreate the skin using the skin tool here and get this kind of results. You can scroll down, see more examples and information about the app. Also, if you have a question about this app or you need help with GPT Image 2, you can leave a comment. I will read all of your comments and respond to all of them. And if you're not still subscribed to our channel, click on subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos and tutorials. That would be all for this training. I hope you like it and I will see you soon on the next one.